He'll come up there and got me. Hang on just a second, I'll get your story.
Get your taser out, and we're going to roll him over on his belly, and if he even flinches, shoot his ass. Do you understand that? We're going to roll you over on your belly, and if you move, you will be tased with bolts of electricity. Do you understand that? Do you understand that? Roll him over. Roll him. Put your hands all right in front of you. Roll over to your left. Tase him. Tase him. Tase him. Roll over on your belly. Roll over on your belly.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Back off.
Tase him again. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. On your stomach. Roll over to your stomach. Roll over on your stomach. Roll over to your stomach. Roll over to your stomach. Roll over on your stomach.
On my stomach with it.
Roll over on your stomach. Roll over. Roll over on your stomach. Roll over.
I ain't done nothing to you.
Roll over on your stomach. Roll over. Roll over on your stomach. Roll over on your stomach. Roll over.
Get that leg. Get that shit out the way.
Roll over on your stomach. Roll over on your stomach. Roll over on your stomach. Roll over on your stomach.
Wow.
Roll over. Roll over on your stomach.
I don't know what the...
Roll over on your stomach.
I ain't never rolled.
Roll over on your stomach.
On my stomach. Because I don't know what the...
Roll over on your stomach. Roll over on your stomach.
Hold on. I'm going to pull these probes.
Just in here.
Roll him over.
Disconnect.
I got a pair of shackles.
Hey, I got some in my car too.
Grab a pair of shackles. Get his feet shackled.
I'm missing a damn good movie on account of all this. Hey, Benji, just pull your car up here. Go and pull your car up here.
Jimmy, I'm going to go ahead and try to do some of that.
Let's get some cuffs and cuff them to these. Put 2 or 3 cuffs. We'll cuff them to his feet.
I had one set that broke over.
I got 2 in my back.
I got one right here.